to go in and take you with us. Let's go.
Floriade Expo is one of the international horticulture exhibitions that have been held worldwide since 1960. Since 1972, the Floriade Expo has been held in the Netherlands every 10 years. The Floriade Expo in Almere was the 7th Floriade and the 22nd International Horticulture Exhibition held from April to October 2022. The theme of the expo was Growing Green Cities, which focused on the need to combine nature and cities. There were over 3,000 species of trees, shrubs, perennials, creepers, aquatic plants, and flower bulbs. Over 2 million visitors enjoyed the expo. There were over 40 inspiring country pavilions with displays of culture, plants, flowers, and local innovations, and over 400 participants.
Many different countries participate and have their own small shows inside the exhibit. We're gonna go check. And we're entering this pavilion, Green Love. And look what we see here. This is humongous olive tree in the park. Amazing. Here we can see massive greenhouses with a lot of plants. Yeah, so what is it exactly?
Het is kers, tuinkers. That's all. And you can eat it on bread, salad, eggs, and it's very, very good.
Nutritious too. And you're growing it here in,
Yes.
in the greenhouse.
This is 14 days.
14 days.
Wait a minute.
Uh-huh.
This was 14 days.
Uh-huh.
We make it vochtig, né? and
Seeds.
we do this seeds.
Got it. That's beautiful. Thank you so much.
That is 14 days, and then this is het product.
Uh-huh. And it's such a burst of color. Look at this purple ones over here. And some of them even ruffled. I haven't seen those. And you guys, I couldn't even imagine that these are also not roses, but these are Vizianthus as well. I've never seen it before. I hope you did. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this lime color and this. Unbelievable. This is pretty neat display of carnivorous plants. Look, they're waiting for the prey to come and feed on. Look at this beautiful display. Give some ideas how to make one. And all-time favorite hostas. Look at these massive blooms. Diamonds are forever. This cute bee city. And also something edible. Oh, look at the colors. And such a great idea to put sauce and pepper. And some kind of dry mushrooms here. And this beautiful wall. Oh, also gives us some ideas. And orchids are always amazing, such a burst of color. And more, it's so hard to resist. Let's go for a ride in this beauty. I just can't pass by this beautiful combo. Look at this nice combination: P. aries, Veronica, hydrangea, Coreopsis, geranium, probably rosé. Just love it. Now next pavilion. Now into urban district. Love this combination of grasses, miscanthus and greens. Wow, look at that! Such a creation. Guess we can go outside. And there's my salad now here. I love this great idea. They're using something recyclable blocks on the wall. Such a beauty. Just I think a couple of koi carps and red would be nice. Oh, look at the St. John's wort. I love the flowers. I have them in my own garden. This amazing red bud color of the leaves are absolutely fantastic. Such a nice combo of birch trees and Siberian bugloss. And this is just breathtaking. I love islands. Look at this beauty. Puppies, oh my goodness. Welcome to my summer house. Just joking. I wish I had one with wall like that. Look at this color. All filled with jars filled with colorful liquid. I don't know what it is. Something maybe drinkable or eatable. Look at this beautiful miniature rose on St. John's wort. And look at this price. I think this is Echinacea. I don't know if you guys agree, but it looks absolutely stunning and unusual. So we just have this kind of narrow pieces of lawn, probably quite easy to maintain. And then look at that breathtaking beauty. Kind of imagine that in the middle of your lawn. And here we can see the beautiful native species of plants. I just love the color and different texture, and it's such a nice contrast to to the most of the other greenery surrounding this. And I think one more fascinating idea for your whole project is ground fridge. Look at the slope, so you can dig it out and install it. Let's go check what's inside. Only if I can open that door. Oh, it's so neat inside. So beautiful and neat, so many shelves, and we can store dahlias and tulips in here, whatever you want. It looks really cool. I would love to have one. I have no place to store my bulbs for the winter. The only thing, it's pretty hot in here because probably doors being closed and open all the time. Well, yes, something to think about. And look at this beauty. I have such a sweet spot for these weeping trees. And this is Floriade pendulum. Such a nice color. Fantastic. And very next to it, look at this contrast color. Oh, imagine having two next to each other in your garden.
And all-time favorite roses. With over 150 species of roses and thousands of hybrids, roses can be found in nearly every color and a variety of shapes.
I don't know about you guys, I was drawn to this very unusual flower shape and color combination. And you can't have enough of lavender. Look at this deep purple color. And now we're in Japanese garden pavilion. Looking forward to check what's inside. And of course inside we can find some bonsais. And beautiful flower arrangements. I really like how they incorporated mondo grass. And for those of you who, like me, have a sweet spot for weeping tree, here is some weeping birch tree. So lovely. And look guys, another fantastic idea to plant alliums together with Japanese anemone. So Japanese anemones are hiding plastic leaves of the onions.
Here is my favorite aconitum or monk's hood, so nicely planted with delicate flowers of aruncus, also known as bride's feathers.
And look at these hazelnuts growing on the trees. Hey guys, we found a patch of wild strawberries. Unbelievable. I forgot how it tastes. Such a flavor and delicate.
Hope you enjoyed the Floriade Expo in Almere as we did. What is going to happen next? After the expo, the area of the horticultural exhibition will be transformed into a residential district with 660 homes, known as Hortus, a green city. Once the Floriade Expo has ended, the same grid structure will be used to create a new urban district. Houses and other neighborhood facilities will be located on the same plots, meaning the transition from the event site to city district will be as sustainable as possible. I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful green city.